what's really interesting is so many of you get introduced and you come out and you wait for the moment in which you are supposed to do your show. There's no connection from introduction to speech. Does that make sense, everybody? Yesterday, my team sent me my bio to approve for the 3 speeches I'm giving next week. And I deleted everything except 2 lines. It's 2 lines. Like, if you can't deliver a speech and people figure out the rest about you, that you need to be, the worst thing you can do is set yourself up with a bio that's more than 2 lines long. We can talk about that later if you want. But the speech starts at your introduction. The speech doesn't start after you've got to the stage, people have finished applauding, you've had a moment and you go, on a hill far away was a young girl, right? He immediately, it's improv. This is what I've talked to you a lot about. Like sometimes, you know, the audience barely claps. I did a virtual speech. I swear to you, these people had no pulse. If I swear to you, they had no pulse. He introduced me and I came out, and this is what people did upon my name being read. Like, just checked, I guess, to see if I was there, and then kept looking down. And so I literally had to immediately go into a little shtick about energy and where are you? And I was asked to speak on this topic, and yet none of you, like, at some point you've got to be able to improv between the bridge between the introduction and the talk. As I was telling you, nothing I did worked. So I tried 17 things. I'm not kidding. And you've got to have a like a duffel bag full of stuff that you're able to go and let me try this. Nothing. I wish you guys could have all seen it. I was trying everything. And I finally got the connection. And it was not easy and it was not early, but it ended up that there was about, I think it was like, I don't know, just a few viable units ended up being on, because there was some people on there that already had a ticket, and then we sold a few tickets, 2 or 3 tickets, so it was fine and it was productive, but it took me that long to engage them. And I tried 17 different things. So you've got to have a duffel bag of that stuff.